doing this from the back side is a pain in the ass. Get that go straight around. There we go. Okay. Now, see when you put these on, which that damn bar right there, but see the idea is take the wire handles and you should be able to, the idea is to loop them through and then, well, we're kind of on the back side here and it's kind of a pain in the ass, but that needs to come around some more. But that you can go through like that, and then so you can pull them over like that, and then go ahead and make sure it's on better. See, I want them on, like I say, make sure they're on where they can't ever come off. So you get them on there good where it holds it. And get around there where you can see how they fit in between the little grooves on the post. It holds it in place, but there we go. Come on back and show right there in that one. It's a little loose. This one can be tightened up, see? And we're gonna have to take this one off. Tighten it up. Okay. Now if I can get that one pushed all the way back around. There we go, pulled it over. Now, make sure it's on the right one, the right notch. And then hook it. Go ahead and pull that up and around tight. And then, there we go. Pull that down and around. And go ahead. I might be able to take my pliers, like I said, go like this. Tighten that son of a bitch on up back there like that. And then go ahead. Go like that. And then that's on there. See? As good as it's going to get. That old fence clip here's. Maybe tighten it up a little bit here. That old fence clamp is gonna get it as tight as it's gonna go, but it's back on there. You can see it's back between the notches. You can pull the camera around. Okay, and as you can see, the fence is back up. And anyway, this fence right here, see this wire is kind of loose. What's going to have to happen is you're going to have to go down through there and pull the clips off to the fence.
And rewire it.
No, and come back down here and re-tighten that part of the fence right there, that one wire, and get it re-tied back up tight down there on that one metal pipe post. and then once it's retightened, come back through and reclip it. So, but other than that, get back and get a full view of the fence. That is a lot better now with that tree out of there. Like he said, he wouldn't want to bulldoze it because he was afraid to knock the tree over, obviously tear the whole goddamn fence down. And I'm not sure if he could have used the track hoe to get it or not. Maybe not. It was such a big tree. He wasn't able to get the track hoe to get it to pull over. I'm not even sure. But either way, now I'm going to have to go ahead and cut this thing up into a few pieces, make it a little easier to get it pushed back in there and managed. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and get my chainsaw out and get started. Kind of get a few up closes and just kind of stand here and get some decent shots of the old saw running. Cold start. It's been sitting, what, an hour, half, 2 hours since we last ran it when we cut the tree down.